How to deactivate Facebook account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can deactivate your Facebook account. Simply open up Facebook and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen just below the message icon, and then tap on the settings icon just below it. Now once what you want to do is head into the first option, personal and account information, and here you'll be able to find the option account ownership and control, and under it you'll find an option to deactivate or delete account. Now like me, if you don't get the option right here, what you can do is head into your Play Store or App Store and search in for Facebook Lite. Now you don't need to worry about safety, this app is totally safe. All you have to do is download and install this app and then log into your account here. Now I have already logged into my account on this app. I already used this app from way before. So what you're gonna do is once you open up and log into your account, tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen and then scroll down and head into settings. Now once in settings, head into the first option, personal and account information, and here you'll find the option access and control. Simply tap on it and here you'll find deactivation and deletion. Tap on it, open it up, and make sure the blue check mark is on deactivate account if you want to deactivate account. Either if you want to delete, you can tap on delete. Now simply tap on deactivate if you want to deactivate. Make sure the blue check mark is on the deactivate option and tap on continue, and again continue, and again continue. Here once you type in your passwords, again tap on continue, and then your account will be deactivated. So this way you can deactivate your Facebook account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.